So AJ, I saw you share a tweet yesterday about not going into business with your friends. Can you kind of elaborate on that and how TFG started?
Yeah, I did the exact opposite of that advice. I got all my best friends together. We put our money together and started a business, and it's worked out wonderfully. Everybody says that don't get into business with your friends, but I think really you get into business with your friends, you find out who your friends really are, and turns out I got some real ones.
So AJ, what would you consider, like, for new investors, one of their biggest mistakes in the stock market?
Thinking that you can just get off the couch and go win the Olympics. Like when you enter the market and you want to trade and try to beat other people at the short-term game, you just don't realize that you're battling like giants, and almost nobody wins that game. It looks like it if you look at social media. It seems like there's a lot of people doing it successfully, but it's really not true. Oh man.
So AJ, in terms of the older generation, probably one of my favorite things that we've done as a company is help one of our clients into early retirement. Can you kind of elaborate on that?
Yeah, I mean, what determines whether you can retire is, do you have enough money to retire? And it depends on what kind of lifestyle you want. But oftentimes, whenever you take someone out of the mediocre situation they're in, they may not realize it's mediocre. You put them into a much better situation. A couple years go by and all of a sudden they're saying, oh my God, I'm gonna retire 5 years early. And that's something we've been able to do pretty consistently for people, and it feels great. I mean, you're buying people time.
So AJ, in terms of broker percentages, what is TFG's stance on that?
Like what an advisor charges the client?
Yeah, TFG specifically.
Well, at TFG, we have our 1% fee for asset management. What we do differently than other people is we don't steer you towards any products that also charge fees or commissions. So there's plenty of mutual funds out there that charge up to 5.75% just on a front-end sales charge. So if you avoid that, which none of those funds are really worth it, it's so that advisors can make more money. So we keep you away from all of that. We keep Wall Street out of your portfolio. It's just you, me, and a brokerage account, and we charge 1%.